Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to open Robinhood Spending Account. So step 1 is just go to the App Store of your mobile phone, or you can just go to the Play Store and search here Robinhood. And once you search Robinhood, so you will see this application called Robinhood Trading and Investing. So make sure to download the application, and once downloaded you can just go back to it, open it, and after that you will be seeing this kind of interface. So from here you can just click on sign up. And once you click on sign up, make sure to choose your region, either UK or US. So make sure to select your region, click on done and continue. And in this section, make sure to enter your email address, click on continue once done. So after that, they will ask you to select your password. So you can select any of the password. So let's say I want to select this one. Click on continue, and in this section, make sure to enter your name, your complete name, which is on your national ID card or your passport. You can just write down your name, click on continue, and once you click on continue, it will take a few seconds to load. And after that, make sure to verify your email address as well. So let it load, and once it moves to the next section, as you can see, help us verify your identity. So you can just click on continue, and they will ask you to enter your mobile number. So you can just choose the country code, whatever your country is, and in this section make sure to enter the mobile number, and after that they will verify it. So I already have an account, so let me just log in with my account. So as you can see, I already have an account, so now my account is logged in. So after you give your verify your email address and enter your mobile number, so you will be at this section. So as you can see, verify identity. So make sure to verify identity. You can read below complete sign up. Once you click here, so make sure to verify your identity. Make sure to enter your phone number and rest of the details as well. And once your identity is verified, they will ask you to enter your social security number, your passport, your national ID card. So give them all the information before you can do any kind of spending or any kind of investing in this account. So make sure to enter all those details, and once done, after that you will be able to do anything that you want in your account. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can open spending account on Robinhood. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.